Welcome to Go Condo, where beautiful interiors meet thoughtful design and elevated urban living. Today, we are exploring sculptural condo design ideas that transform everyday spaces into sophisticated artistic environments, blending expressive forms, premium materials, and contemporary comfort. If you love refined interiors with a creative edge, you are in the right place. Sculptural design is about more than simply adding unusual decorations. It is about introducing shape, proportion, texture, and visual movement into a space so that furniture and architectural details feel almost like works of art. From curved seating and statement tables to dramatic wall compositions and artistic accessories, every element can contribute to a more distinctive condo interior. Stay with us as we explore inspiring ways to bring this artistic approach into different areas of a condo. And if you enjoy elegant interior design ideas, make sure to subscribe to Go Condo, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us create more inspiring home design content for you. The living room is an ideal place to introduce sculptural design because it naturally becomes the visual center of a condo. Consider a generously curved sofa, an organically shaped coffee table, or a distinctive lounge chair that creates an artistic focal point without overwhelming the room. These silhouettes soften conventional layouts while giving the space a sophisticated contemporary identity. Instead of filling the room with numerous decorative objects, choose a few pieces with strong visual character. A rounded stone table, an abstract pedestal, or a large ceramic vessel can provide enough personality to make the interior feel curated rather than crowded. The key is to allow each sculptural element enough surrounding space to be appreciated. A refined color palette can make these forms even more impactful. Soft neutrals, warm beige, sophisticated taupe, charcoal, cream, and muted earthy shades create a calm backdrop where distinctive shapes become the stars of the composition. The result is a living room that feels artistic, luxurious, and effortlessly contemporary. Furniture can become artwork when its silhouette is carefully selected. Look for pieces with rounded edges, asymmetrical profiles, sculpted bases, and unexpected proportions. A dining table with a dramatic pedestal base or a console with fluid curves can immediately give a condo a more architectural and sophisticated character. Premium materials can further emphasize these artistic shapes. Marble, natural stone, brushed metal, rich wood, textured upholstery, and high-quality glass create layers of tactile interest while maintaining a polished aesthetic. Combining contrasting materials allows sculptural furniture to feel both expressive and grounded. Balance is essential when using statement furniture. If one piece has a particularly dramatic form, surrounding it with simpler furnishings can prevent the room from becoming visually chaotic. This approach creates a deliberate rhythm where bold shapes receive attention, while understated pieces provide harmony and practical comfort. Walls offer another opportunity to introduce sculptural sophistication without sacrificing valuable floor space. Consider dimensional wall panels, curved architectural niches, textured plaster surfaces, or carefully arranged three-dimensional artwork. These details can turn an otherwise ordinary wall into an important design feature. Large-scale abstract artwork can also reinforce the sculptural concept. Instead of choosing multiple small decorations, one commanding piece can establish the visual direction of an entire room. Organic shapes, geometric compositions, textured surfaces, and restrained color combinations can create an artistic statement while maintaining a sophisticated contemporary atmosphere. Architectural details should connect naturally with the furniture and accessories. Repeating curved forms across a wall feature, sofa, table, mirror, or decorative object creates visual continuity. When shapes echo one another throughout the room, the interior feels intentionally designed rather than assembled piece by piece. The dining area can become an elegant centerpiece with the right combination of form and material. A substantial pedestal dining table immediately establishes a strong foundation, especially when paired with chairs featuring softly curved backs or distinctive geometric profiles. The arrangement can feel sophisticated while remaining functional for everyday living. Above the dining table, consider an artistic centerpiece that complements rather than competes with the furniture. A sculptural vessel, minimalist arrangement, or striking decorative object can reinforce the artistic theme. Keeping the centerpiece restrained allows the table itself to remain an important part of the composition. For smaller condos, a sculptural dining area can also create visual impact without requiring excessive space. A compact round table, elegant curved chairs, and one-statement artwork can produce a memorable dining corner. This demonstrates how thoughtful proportions can deliver a luxurious impression even within a limited footprint. The bedroom can interpret sculptural design in a softer and more relaxing way. A curved headboard, rounded bedside tables, an organically shaped bench, or a gently contoured bed frame can introduce artistic character while preserving the peaceful atmosphere expected from a private retreat. Texture becomes especially important in the bedroom. Upholstered surfaces, natural wood, stone accents, woven materials, and subtly textured fabrics can make sculptural shapes feel inviting rather than overly formal. Combining tactile materials with simple silhouettes creates an environment that feels luxurious without becoming visually excessive. A restrained decorative approach helps maintain tranquility. Instead of placing artwork and accessories everywhere, select a few distinctive pieces that complement the room's main forms. A sculptural vase, curved mirror, or artistic bedside object can provide just enough visual interest to make the bedroom feel carefully curated. Materials can elevate sculptural interiors from interesting to truly luxurious. Natural stone brings weight and permanence, wood introduces warmth, metal adds precision, and glass creates a sense of visual lightness. When these materials are combined thoughtfully, even simple furniture can gain a premium architectural presence. Decorative accents should continue the language of the larger furniture pieces. Think rounded ceramics, abstract sculptures, geometric trays, artistic mirrors, and distinctive vases. Rather than choosing accessories simply because they fill an empty surface, select objects that contribute to the overall composition through shape, texture, or material. The most sophisticated interiors understand the importance of negative space. Leaving certain shelves, tables, and corners intentionally uncluttered gives statement pieces greater impact. This creates a gallery-inspired feeling where every carefully selected object has room to breathe and become part of the architectural story. The strongest sculptural interiors are not collections of unrelated statement pieces. They are unified by recurring shapes, materials, proportions, and colors. A curved sofa can relate to a rounded coffee table, while an arched mirror echoes a curved doorway or sculptural artwork. These subtle connections create visual harmony throughout the condo. Scale also plays a crucial role. A large sculptural object can anchor a spacious living area, while smaller decorative forms may work better in compact corners. Mixing different sizes creates visual rhythm and prevents the design from feeling repetitive. The goal is to create a balanced progression from one area to another. Ultimately, sculptural condo design works best when beauty and practicality exist together. Every artistic element should contribute to the experience of the space, whether through comfort, storage, movement, texture, or visual impact. When contemporary function meets expressive form, a condo can feel both highly livable and remarkably sophisticated. Sculptural design offers an exciting way to transform a condo into a refined contemporary environment filled with personality and artistic character. From curved furniture and architectural walls to premium materials and carefully selected accessories, the smallest design decisions can create a powerful sense of sophistication. The secret is not to fill the space with dramatic objects, but to choose meaningful forms and give them enough room to stand out. By balancing statement pieces with quiet surfaces, coordinating materials, and repeating organic or geometric shapes, you can create an interior that feels cohesive, luxurious, and timeless. Thank you so much for watching Go Condo. We hope these sculptural condo design ideas have inspired you to experiment with artistic forms and premium contemporary details in your own space. If you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe to Go Condo, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite sculptural design idea. We will see you in the next one.